Slouching or back pain holding you back? Let's fix your posture today. Simple, powerful exercises build confidence and strength. Welcome to GymProLife. What you'll learn today: key causes and fixes, back, shoulders, core, daily alignment habits, strength and performance, science-based training, move better, feel better, stay to the end. Confidence follows posture. Ready? Let's begin. Cause 1, tech neck juts forward. Cause 2, pelvic tilt, tight hip flexors. Cause 3, kyphosis, fixed chin tuck, fixed ribs stacked, fixed neutral pelvis, fixed shoulder set, fixed diaphragmatic breath. Screen at eye level, support your lumbar, keep elbows at 90, move every 30-60 minutes. Motion beats perfect posture. Exercise: chin tucks, 10 smooth reps, thoracic extensions, 2 sets of 8, open your chest, doorway, pec stretch, 30 seconds each side, wall slides, 8 reps, light band, slow arcs, own the scapula, hip flexor focus, tuck, breathe, reach, cat-cow, 8 reps, hips, 90-90, flow. Feel taller already? Band pull-aparts, 12 steady reps. Face pulls, elbows high, pause at the face, YTW sequence, hinge RDLs, own the hinge, row, squeeze lats, slow, wide arcs, carry, walk tall, ribs down, brace, tall kneel, pull down, stable, slow taps, posture recheck, build consistency. Dead bug control, side plank, stack, bird dog, long limbs, press and resist, hollow, ribs down, sit on sit bones, raise the screen, eyes up, neck safe, tiny walks matter, exhale, tension out, power needs posture, run tall, breathe low, presence improves too, feel the difference, own your alignment. Neck gentle tilt, light steady breath, reach long, rotate, open lats gently, hams, glides not yanks, recap your plan, train smart cadence, where do you struggle, drop it below, we've got your back, train smart, live strong, hit like and subscribe, more science-based workouts. Thanks for watching. If these exercises helped, hit like, subscribe and share it. Comment below. What part of your posture needs the most work? Only on GymProLife. Stand tall every day.